Guys, welcome back. Mike here. Another episode of Got It Running on Mike's RC Corner. Little man's over there. He's got the HBX 1/16 scale slider car. He'll be running that in the background, but this video is about Got It Running in the collection, the Wild Warrior, the 10428 from WLtoys. It's got 2-speed transmission in it, a high and low. It can crawl, it can do some decent speed. It's got LEDs in the front, LEDs in the back. Solid axle in the back is pretty darn cool RC. We really like this one a lot. These are kind of came out of nowhere. Kind of the, what do they call that? The Vetera twin hammers type of style RC. I've heard in researching a little bit in the forums that those parts are interchangeable in some areas on this RC. So right now we're in high speed mode. We'll take this over here. As you can see, I'm cruising around pretty good. I think it does about 30 clicks here. And we'll go for a little walk over here. As you can see, no problem handling some terrain. This would be a real nice one to bring out on a trail and do a little bit of crawling and have some fun, but it definitely handles off-road nicely. If you really wanted to, you could upgrade the shocks on this in the back for sure. As you see here, we'll just kind of bounce through the garden. I will pop it over into low mode by moving this switch here, which is an awesome radio, by the way. The price point on this truck is really cool. It's like, I hate to say, but it's a lot less than you would think. I'll leave a link in the notes. This is it in low speed. Lots of torque. Still goes plenty fast for crawling. Almost faster than you would probably wouldn't want to do it full throttle. Perfect for a trail ride. Very versatile. It can do both, you know. If you want to do a little on-road and rip it across the grass, is good. If you want to bring it to the trail, you can bomb around it with it this way too. I think this guy's giving up on the little slider and he wants to drive it. It's also a great beginner RC. You can do the slower mode and he can have a lot of fun with it. So I guess I'm going to end the video here as he's going around and running off with it. You gotta love impromptu videos, guys. Always appreciate you tuning in. You got any questions about it, leave it below. Thanks for tuning into the series. Up in the corner, I have a link for more of the Got It Run It series, getting all the RCs out and run them. Hope you guys get out and run your RCs too, especially the older ones. Give them some love, dust them off, charge them batteries, and give them a go. We're gonna end it here. Peace out. Take care, folks. Have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you later. Peace out.